Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Leonardo AI image-to-image generator, a tool that's revolutionizing the way we create and sell digital art online. If you're an artist or an entrepreneur looking to harness the power of AI for your creations, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about what makes Leonardo AI stand out: its user-friendly interface. Getting started is a breeze. After joining their exclusive Discord community, you're welcomed into a world of creativity and innovation. The whitelist system not only adds a layer of exclusivity, but also fosters a community of like-minded artists. With Leonardo AI, your imagination is the only limit. Whether it's game assets, textures, or concept art, this tool lets you craft unique art based on your personal style and preferences. And here's a pro tip: the success of your designs largely depends on your ability to craft compelling prompts. The more aligned your prompts are with current market trends, the better your chances of creating best-selling art. Now, let's get down to business: making money from your AI art. Our focus turns to popular online marketplaces like Etsy. With a vast audience and a high demand for unique designs, Etsy is a goldmine for selling your creations. And when you integrate with print providers like Redbubble, Printful, or Printify, the process becomes even smoother. These print providers handle everything from printing to shipping, allowing you to focus purely on your artistic vision. Setting custom markups on your products means you have control over your profit margins. Imagine creating a stunning design on Leonardo AI, and then seeing it come to life on t-shirts, phone cases, and more, all sold globally. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that Leonardo AI's image-to-image generator is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to infinite creative possibilities and a promising avenue for online entrepreneurship. The blend of user-friendly design, customization options, and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms positions Leonardo AI as an indispensable asset for modern artists and digital entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.